So at the back here I've got a Cosmos 2 by Cooler Master case. This particular one is about 2 years old now and has been used by I'm assuming either a heavy smoker or a room with a lot of people smoking. As you can see from the back here in the air ducts or filters, they've definitely done their job. This machine here, now I already gave this computer a blowout with an air compressor. I didn't blow out the side panels though, but with smoking dust, or that's what I tend to call it, it tends to stick onto absolutely everything and absolutely reeks. It's about the worst thing I hate about this job. I hate smoking computers more than I hate phones dropped in toilets. Even though toilets where poo is, at least they don't absolutely reek when you get them. And as you can see here, this particular fan is absolutely covered. So this particular one was brought in with a dead motherboard. It wasn't refusing to stay on. It would power up, stay on for a few seconds, and then go straight off. And here we go, more fans, dust all in the inner rings. It's just unpleasant, especially in such a large case like this. But this particular one, I'm pretty sure it was death by smoking. All the hardware seems to be all good, except the mainboard, which down near an M2 slot, it was absolutely caked with smoke. Here we go. Look at the nice air filtration at the bottom of the case. Beautiful. Smoking computers. Absolutely hate them. Catch ya.